Unleash the summer vibes with the hottest and coolest gadgets. From futuristic underwater drones to floating speakers, these techs will elevate your summer adventures. Pow Una Speaker, introducing the ultimate on-the-go gadget. It's ultra-portable with a convenient travel strap. This versatile device floats in water and offers stereo sync, allowing multiple devices to connect. With Bluetooth compatibility, you can wirelessly stream your favorite music anywhere you go. Elevate your entertainment experience with this compact and feature-packed gadget. Flip Shoe, introducing the world's first flip-flop without straps, the perfect fusion of comfort, safety and style. Experience the freedom of a flip-flop with the security of a shoe. Say goodbye to slipping like with regular flip-flops and enjoy wearing them by the pool, at the beach or while shopping. With ample breathing room for your feet, you no longer have to settle for shoes or flip-flops when you can have the best of both worlds. Kingii Bracelet, a compact and ingenious aquatic companion that functions like a life jacket, effortlessly inflating with a quick pull of the lever, providing instant buoyancy and bringing you safely to the surface. With its whistle, compass and space-saving design, this remarkable bracelet ensures your safety and peace of mind during water activities, making it an indispensable tool for both swimmers and non-swimmers alike. Irontide Adventure Shorts. When embarking on a solitary swimming expedition, where do you stash your essentials? Look no further than these swim shorts crafted by Irontide. Each pair boasts a remarkable waterproof pocket, shielding your belongings from water damage, even amidst depths of 100 feet. What's the secret? The neodymium magnets pockets ensure utmost security of belongings. As an added bonus, these shorts harness the power of nanotechnology, accelerating drying time by a staggering 5-fold compared to conventional counterparts. Spyra 2. Prepare for the imminent surge with the Spyra 2 Water Gun. It refills in a mere 10 seconds, ready to unleash 22 powerful blasts. Take down formidable foes with the mighty Power Blast shot. Stay informed with the built-in display, tracking shots remaining and battery level. Charge up and keep a nearby bucket to ensure endless aquatic excitement in the ultimate outdoor water warfare experience. Tosy, the ultimate smart flying golf disc that enhances your summer fun. This disc features advanced technology like 9-axis motion tracking, data collection, and 3D simulation for an elevated gaming experience. Equipped with 240 super bright LEDs, it dazzles with captivating visuals while gliding through the sky. Tracking the disc is a breeze as it seamlessly connects to GPS and Bluetooth and also through its light. Plus, it's rechargeable, waterproof and floatable, guaranteeing endless hours of worry-free entertainment near water. Check out Subnado, the ultimate underwater adventure gear. This awesome underwater scooter is compact, lightweight and totally rad. It's designed to fit in your backpack's side pocket so you can take it with you wherever you go. Whether you're a newbie or a pro, Subnado lets you discover the wonders of the underwater more efficiently. No need for fancy training, just a bit of practice and you'll be diving like a boss. Plus, it has 100-watt reverse fast charging that can charge your phones or GoPros. Get stoked for an epic summer full of splashing fun. Creekkooler Pop. It's the ultimate buddy for your water escapades. This cool floating cooler is like a kayak, but for your drinks that tows behind your boat. It can hold up to 15 cans or 10 pounds of ice, keeping them icy cold all day long. Made with tough construction and insulation, it's built to last and can keep ice frozen for a whopping 24 hours. Plus, it's got 2 handy can holders on top, so you can sip your favorite beverage while chilling in the water. Experience ultimate relaxation with the Saluspa Hawaii Air Jet. This luxurious inflatable hot tub brings spa-like comfort and hydrotherapy to your backyard. Its spacious design accommodates up to 6 adults, perfect for gatherings or personal relaxation. Enjoy a soothing massage from the 114 strategically placed air jets. Easy to set up and made with durable tri-tech material, the Saluspa Hawaii Air Jet offers convenience and stability. The Geneinno T1 Pro is an advanced underwater drone that combines powerful features and versatility for underwater exploration. With a maximum dive depth of 492 feet, it allows users to capture stunning 4K UHD footage using its wide-angle lens and adjustable white balance settings. Equipped with 3,000 lumen LED lights, it ensures clear visibility in dark environments. The T1 Pro's 4 thrusters enable agile movement at speeds up to 2 meters per second, while its angle of shooting can be adjusted as needed. Additionally, it offers the option to attach an extra robotic arm for underwater item retrieval or even for rescue operations. That's all, folks. Thanks for hanging by. Comment which gadgets you will try this summer. See you in the next one.